In this video, we'll look at prepare comprehensive report and appending individual sections in our evaluation report. I'm going to get back into my students' evaluation report, and I notice that all of my individual procedures are complete. And then I know it's a good time to look at my prepare comprehensive report. We can do it before they're all done, but typically this is what we do towards the end of our report writing and when we're wrapping up our report. Notice on the prepare comprehensive report page that some of our areas have a red asterisk, and these will be required. There's the three at the top: the record review, the information reported by parents, and our summary of evaluation. The next thing I want you to notice are the green checks. Underneath the areas that have associated procedures, like information reported by parents, we have a parent interview, and then I know that it's marked complete in the evaluation reports area, and I know that's ready to append. Here in information reported by school personnel, we have no associated procedure sections. So you can see that all of my procedures have been marked complete in my prepare comprehensive page. So I'm going to look at pulling this report together. How do you do that? You're going to go into the areas that you have completed procedures. So I'm going to go into my social and emotional area. Here I have two procedures, the Connors 3 and a student interview. And you'll notice that it'll show up and it'll just have an X here. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of my page, and I'm going to click on the button that says Append Individual Reports to this section. Now, in this page, all of the procedures will be listed, and I want to look for a green heading. Here it is, Summary Section, Social, Emotional. The green heading means this is the area that you want to append the completed procedures. I have two of them that have been finished, and I can choose the order that they'll be in. Let's say I want my student interview to go first. I'm going to mark as a number 1 with that, and I'm going to choose my Connors to be number 2. And I'm going to uncheck my evaluator's name and title, and I'm going to append those sequenced sections. Now my sections were pretty small, and you can see here this was my student interview and this was my Connors report. And once I append these, I can get in and I can add and make it look nice and pretty and make sure that it's all parent-friendly language. Then I'm going to change my status from draft to complete. I'm going to hit submit and done. I'm going to go ahead and go through, if I'm doing this, and I'm going to append all of my sections. So I click on my area, I go down to append individual reports. I find that section in my individual reports area, my procedure section area. Here it's summary, record review, and I just have one. So I put a 1 there. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and unclick my evaluator's name and title and choose append sequenced sections. And here it came in, and I am responsible for making this report look great. So I'm going to get rid of all my red verbiage, and I'm going to clean up the report that this person made for me and make sure it's ready to go. I'm going to choose my status to complete, hit submit, and done. I'm going to pretend like I've done all of these and show you how you look at what your report looks like. You're going to click on Print Report on the left side. Then you'll notice that our draft, and you can see that right here, evaluation report is pulled together. And so far, this is what we're seeing. So once you've completed or at any time throughout the process of making your evaluation report and pulling it together, you can click on Print Report to see what it's going to look like.